What up, YouTube? It's your boy KG, that boy Wild 10, Color Street Shutdown King, at least that is shotty, man. What's going on? What's going on? Alright, guys. I'm gonna show y'all what I got going on for today. Alright. Let's see that now. I got a couple scratches on my door panel. So, decide I'm gonna go ahead and fix it. So, sand down the door panels. And I'm gonna repaint. Well, I'm gonna paint them back black using the Dupli Color Vinyl and Fabric spray. That's designed for door panels, dashboards, center consoles, and seats. So I'm gonna do my door panels back black, and I'm also going to paint all my gray trim pieces in the car blue. So from the doors to this to steering wheel, alright guys, this is what it's looking like now. I hit it with 4 coats of this, the vinyl and fabric paint, and it's for dashboards, door panels, center console, trims, and seats. So taped it up, sprayed it, came out good. It's just that little part right there from where it had it taped up. But other than that, man, it looks damn good. Hit it with 4 coats of that, and then like 3 coats of clear. So, yep. So probably tomorrow or so, I'm gonna do like the little instrument gauge and the part around my shifter. And then after that, I'm gonna start on my door panels and the trim around my dash and the steering wheel and stuff. As y'all can see, turned out real good. And again, this is what I'm using. Still gotta do the steering wheel bezel and door panels, but it's coming along nicely.